Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my teaching and my efforts, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to get the regular updates. In the last video, I have discussed about SR latch using NOR gate. I hope you have watched that video. If you have not watched that video, I request you to go and watch that previous video and come back to this video for better understanding. In this video, I want to discuss SR latch using the NAND gate. So I will discuss its circuit diagram and how it is different with SR latch using the NOR gate. And then I will discuss its characteristic table in detail. So I request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. First, let me discuss its circuit diagram. If you see it, we have SR latch using the NAND gate. So we have two NAND gates. I hope they are looking like in NAND gates. Okay. And if you see it, when we are discussing about the NOR gates SR latch, we have given R here and S here. But in using the NAND gate, we are giving them as S and R. S is for set, R is for the reset. Okay, and we have the Qn and Qn complement. They are in their proper position. Okay, now what is Qn and Qn complement? If Qn is 1, Qn complement will give the output as 0. If it is 0, this will give 1. Am I right or wrong? And Qn complement is connected to the this NAND gate, and Qn is connected to this NAND gate. Now we will see its characteristic table. Now tell me how many inputs are there? 3 inputs are there because S, R and Qn. Don't think that Qn complement is another input because these two are complement to each other. So only we are storing only one variable here, which is Qn only. Now if you look at its characteristic table, we'll have 3 inputs and 1 output. S and R and Qn are the 3 inputs. What is Qn, which is a present state? And what we want to find Qn plus 1, which is the next state. Am I right? Now if you have 3 binary variables, then how many combinations of inputs can come? 8 combinations can come, which are 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, then 0, 1, 1. Similarly, we will have 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, 1. Am I right or wrong? So totally we got 8 combinations of inputs. Now if you look at each combination, S and R values are 0, 0, okay, and Qn is varying from 0 or 1. Similarly, S, R is 0, 1 and Qn is varying 0 or 1, 1, 0, Qn is varying 0 or 1, 1, 1, Qn is varying 0 or 1. Okay, now we will take the each case and we'll find what will be the next state. Now if I keep S value and R value as 0, okay, S value and R value as 0, 0, what will be my next state? Qn plus 1. Qn plus 1 is equal to 0 and Qn complement whole complement. Am I right or wrong? Because this is AND and then NOT. So 0 and Qn complement whole complement is equal to 0 and something is 0. 0 complement is equal to 1. Am I right or wrong? Now what is this Qn plus 1 complement is giving? We will check it. Qn plus 1 complement is giving 0 and Qn whole complement is equal to again 0 complement is 1. Now again see this situation. Qn plus 1 is giving 1. Qn plus 1 complement is also giving 1. Whether it is valid? No, they are not valid because if this is producing 1, this should produce the output as 0. Am I right? Because this one and this one are complement to each other. This situation we have faced when we are discussing SR latch using NOR gates when the inputs are 1 and 1. But if you look at using the NAND gate, we are facing the similar situation when S and R values are 0 and 0. Now this case we will call it as invalid, because it is not producing the valid output. Because if qn plus 1 is giving 1, qn plus 1 complement should give 0, but both are giving 1, which is not a valid. Okay, now we will discuss the next case. S and R values are 0 and 1. S value is 0, R value is 1. We will verify what is the qn plus 1 will produce. Qn plus 1 is equal to 0 and Qn complement whole complement, which is equal to 0, complement is equal to 1. Qn plus 1 complement is equal to 1 and Qn whole complement, which is equal to Qn whole complement. Am I right? 1 and something will be that something. 0 and something will be 0. Am I right? Now if you look at Qn plus 1 is producing the output as 1. Qn plus 1 complement is producing Qn complement. Am I right? So always this one will produce 1 and its complement will produce the 0. So the next state will be 1 and 1. This state we will call it as set. I hope you are following with me. Now we will see the next case when S and R values are 1 and 0 respectively. What will happen? S value is 1, R value is 0. We will see what will happen. Qn plus 1 is equal to 1 and Qn complement whole complement. 1 and something will be that something only. Qn complement whole complement is equal to Qn. Okay, now we will look at Qn plus 1 complement is equal to what? Qn plus 1 complement is equal to 0 and Qn whole complement is equal to 0 complement, which is 1. Now if you look at it, if Qn plus 1 complement is producing 1, Qn plus 1 will produce 0. Am I right or wrong? So this will produce the output as always 0, which is reset. Are you looking at it or not? Because when you need to check which one is producing the constant, then you can do the complement of it. Then 1's complement is 0. Now we will look at S and R values are 1 and 1 respectively. What will happen? Okay, Qn plus 1 is equal to 1 and Qn complement whole complement is equal to Qn complement is equal to Qn. Qn plus 1 is producing Qn only. Now we will see Qn plus 1 complement what it will produce. It is producing 1 and Qn complement, which is equal to Qn complement. If you see it, Qn plus 1 is producing Qn plus 1 complement is producing Qn complement. From this what we can say, the next state is equal to the present state. Am I right? Qn plus 1 is Qn and its complement is producing its complement. Am I right? So whatever the Qn is, the next state also will have the same one. We can say that there is no change. Okay, so I hope you have understood from this circuit diagram how I got the characteristic table. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.